a test. I'm gonna write those letters, and I'll ask one of you to read it loud. Okay? Look at the board.
Can you just don't you say what is the finals? Because just like Wang 老师, Wang with the initial Wu and the finals on, so Wu on Wang 老师. That's the initial final.
Yeah, so, yeah, good point. Yeah, Liu Lao Shi told us, for example, my family name, and the first one, W, is the initial, and it reads Wu, right? We learned that Wu. And the last one is final, is A-N-G, is is the finals. So, does the whole syllable make up two parts? The first is the initial, help you to start the sound, and the final help you to end up, like that. So let's spell it. So spell my name. Wu Ang Wang. Wu Ang Wang. Wang. So it must be Wang. Right? Wang, like that. Wang. Yeah, that's my family name. Yeah. Okay. So I'm the text. So. Okay, I'm gonna ask one more. So who want to try? There's some English examples, and I just want to know, whether that one is good or help you to read. Who want to read this final? AI. Good. Yeah, that's I. Oh, there's I beside. Okay. Okay, that's the, how about this one? EI. Oh, you're so smart. I can't believe it. It's A. Yes, A. We have, so you can tell we have many common, speech between English and Chinese. Yeah, good. Okay, I'm gonna give you more different.
The same. A. We're in Canada. It makes
Okay,
sense.
let's try this
Just
one.
different.
Let's try this one. U-A-N. Who can read this?
One.
Who? I want to, how do you read that?
One.
Oh my. You're so good. We now go back. We don't need any lessons. Bye. Okay, you're very good. So that's what so the last, I need to show you something special. And Chinese people, there's one letter is totally different from English. Is U, and we put two dots. Yeah, that's the special. So why we put two dots? Because we just want to change it. Okay, so and now this one, this final, it reads, listen, look at my mouth. U, 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 U. Good. So can you repeat that? Don't worry. Don't worry about making mistakes. Okay.
Or you.
The second one is correct. You. I want to listen. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna show you again. Yeah, I can tell if you need to squeeze up your mouth a little bit. Make sure you can't. If you put your mouth like you can't say that. So you need the shape of your mouth is O. That's correct. Yeah, that will help you. Good job. Yeah, we have lots of pronunciation. So lots of. So okay. So let's try this. Okay. Who can tell me how to read this one? U plus E. Oh, nice. Can you try again? Good. And because this one, make a flat. Good. I'm so happy. Yeah. Oh my. Yeah, you can speak Chinese now, no problem. Okay, so because of the time limitation, we don't have time to, to go over all those findings. I hope you need to practice sometime after the class, okay? We need to move on next. Oh, no, not next. Look at here. And we know Chinese have some finals and initials and how to spell it, and we know what pinyin is. And another, point we need to know, very important. Chinese has tones, and the tones, Chinese is a language. Tones convey differences in meaning. So yeah, for during the past many years, I keep thinking about the questions why Chinese people create the tones. Do other language have tones? For English, do you have tones? Yes,
well,
you do.
You can have a word written the same way, but how you pronounce it changes the word. Like, I'm trying to think of a good example, but.
Yeah, give me an example.
Yeah,
You have
read and read.
tones.
Yeah, read and read, so it's spelled the same, but the context around the word defines how you say the word, and you just learn it. I read a red book.
You have tones. You do have tones. Yeah, you do. So that's right. But the Chinese,
Because just the way I understand tones is like how you would move your voice in the word.
Sure.
And so I think, in my opinion, I could be wrong, but the only way we have tones in English is if I'm asking a question like, yeah, or yeah.
Yes, that's the tone.
Oh, okay.
You do have tones in English a lot. Yeah. So I just keep thinking, before, long time ago, many people told me, only Chinese have tones. That's very difficult. But now I'm getting to understand we are not the only language have tones. English has many tones as well, right? Okay, so we are gonna bet English tones express people's emotion or attitudes, right? For example, what? What? Huh? Huh. That's the tone, right? But Chinese tones express meaning, different meaning. So, for example, I give you an example how tones matter in Chinese. So, for example, this one, it's ba. And the tone mark, we usually put in the end of the pinyin. So, ba is very flat, like the tone mark, it means 8 in Chinese. 8. But, when you change your tone to go up, ba, that means totally different. It means pull out. Ba, that pull out. And the third one, ba, ba, or very low ba, very low, and that means target. Okay? And the last one is go down, strictly, ba, ba, that means dad. You call your dad, and in Chinese, the kids will call baba, baba. Right? If you call baba, that's not right. Or baba, no, baba. That means dad. Okay, so that's how tones express different meaning in Chinese. But don't worry about that. You will learn that very easy, in a easy way. Okay?
So that's only the first part. That's why we say stopping just on pinyin is no good. You need to learn the words. But you can't do that now. You just learn the pinyin. And when you are interested next term, you learn ba, 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 ba. Okay.
Okay. So, so now we are gonna, now you know how to, let's, just need a little bit practice for you to know, the tones. And this one is, I put, here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 1 is very low. So that's, you can say that pitch. The pitch is very low. And when you move up to number 5, that's the highest. Okay, so for example, this one. Ba, so very high. Ba, ba. After me, please. Ba, 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 ba. Yeah, that's the first tone. Flat and high. The second one, you started from pitch 3, and you need to move up a little bit. Ba, 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 ba. Good job. Here we go. Okay, and what's that? Okay, so now the third one. The third one started. This one's a little bit tricky because you need to turn it, in the middle and then go down and up. There's a turn. There's a ba. Good. Can you say that?
Me?
Yeah. Good. Can you repeat? Loud? Open your mouth.
I don't know. Ba.
Good. Ba.
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 Oh, good. That's awesome. Yeah. Ba. That third tone. That's a turn. Yeah, turning tone. And look at this one. Yeah. Just from the high pitch, go down to the lowest. Ba. 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 Make it in short. Ba. Ba. Okay. So I want to listen. Yeah. To can you speak the fourth tone?
Ba.
Good. And you?
Ba.
Oh, very good. How about you? Ba.
Yes.
Perfect. And you?
Ba.
Good. Correct. Okay. So so don't worry. You're very good in the beginning. And I made some cards for you to. When do we have break?
About 50 or something like that.
Okay. So look at my card. I try because tones really, that's difficult part for you to learn Chinese. And I made this. I try to figure out some words in English, because English has tones. And so I put some. For example, the first tone I used. For example, your friend asks you, "Oh, do you want to go to swim tomorrow with me?" And you say, maybe. So, right? Maybe. So what's the tone? Maybe. So maybe. So maybe. That's the first tone. Is that correct? Do you agree? So try with me. And the B, you must be very low because you can't say maybe. It makes no sense, right? So you say maybe. That's first tone. Okay. And I put 2 lines under may, right? That's the first tone. Remember that maybe, right? Okay, the second tone. I'm thinking, in English you also go up. And so like, can you tell me what did you have for lunch yesterday? No, that's not. So I say blah, 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 blah. You say, what? Yeah, listen. What? Right? Yeah, and you want to make clear, so you say what? That's second tone. What? Repeat after me, all of you. What? So that's you get the second tone. What? Yeah, good. Maybe. That's first tone. Okay. Okay. Now, you know the third tone is the standard third tone. You need to turn and bouncing up a little bit, but in the beginning Chinese, you just need to know the third tone is a very low part. Yeah, like that. So, yeah. So that's the question. What did you have for lunch yesterday? You can't remember, right? And you say, like that. Yeah, that's it. Remember that. That's third tone. What did you have? Yeah, what did you have for lunch yesterday? Okay, now we're gonna get the last one. So what word I put? Yeah, here. So, for example, would you go to Edmonton tomorrow? No. So no, why? Edmonton gets lots of smoke, right? So, and when you say, do you want to go to Edmonton tomorrow with me? No. So you must start it from high pitch and go down. So that's your voice. No. Yeah, that's so let's repeat now before we have break. The first tone, use your hand. You need to have some gesture. Maybe. Not be, only may. Remember that? Maybe. Good. And the second tone.
What?
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah. So you say what? The second tone and the third tone. Third tone, what's that? Oh yeah, what did you have lunch tomorrow? Yesterday. Very low. Keep it low. Okay, not high. Okay. And do you want to go to Edmonton with me tomorrow? No.
So, but I thought the third tone, you had to fall and come back up.
Yes. Yeah.
So how do you go,
But if you can do that also, because that's easy. For example, what do you have for lunch yesterday? And you just say, Or sometimes, when you say that often. I notice that. Can you say that? That's third tone. Yeah, but because third tone in Chinese, in many cases, we don't speak the whole, go down and up. Sometimes just very low. Sometimes so you just keep it low. Yeah, so, like that. Okay, here, we are gonna next, after the break, we are gonna try to practice tones. We are gonna learn 20 essential Chinese words. That's very useful. Okay, see you in 10 minutes. Basic tones in Chinese, and you all got it. Yeah, no problem. I can tell you all got it. So now the best way to use practice tones is to practice a lot, and the practice way is we are going to learn some 20 essential Chinese words. And those words will be really, really important when you get to Beijing. You will, I believe, you will use at least 90% of those words. Okay. And those words also help you to practice your tones, because tones practice, the best way is you got a combination of the two words. So the combination, that means, first tone with second tone, and third tone with fourth tone, and all kinds of combinations. Okay, let's do it. So first, what word is how to pronounce the tone? Yeah, maybe. Yeah, may, right? Look at this word. And this, the first word we're gonna learn is look. So just like I showed you just in the last class, Chinese will put the tone mark, at somewhere on the top of the finals. And if the tone mark is flat, that means first tone. And this tone mark is flat, is also first tone. Okay, so that's keep you, remember, to say it in right tones. So, okay, so look at here, the flat line is, the same as the words, the one, right? Okay, so that's the first, that means today, the first tone plus first tone. I put 1 plus 1 here, okay? Yeah, read after me. 妹妹，今天，妹妹，okay, read after. Okay, 妹妹，今天。Yes, you're right. That means 今天 today. That means today. Yeah, 今. So, or you can use, when I, to teach back home in China, and sometimes they use their hats. 今天 just flat. 今天 yeah, flat. Okay, that's today. Very useful. And the second combination here, this one. Look, flat and go up. So first plus second. So let's remember how to read the second tone.
What?
Yeah, what? Right? And may what? Can you see that? You can. Yeah. May what? May what? Okay, here's the word. And this word you need to learn because you're going there, right? China. So, 中国. May what? 中国. That's right. You sound like Chinese people here. Right. Okay. So, yeah, 中国. Yeah. So I want to listen. Show me how to read this word.
中国
Good. 中国.
中国
That's correct. Good. And you, the nurse, right?
中国
Good. That's 中国. Good. And
中国
yeah, very good. I'm gonna check a boy here.
中国
Oh. Yeah. Okay. And behind.
中国
Oh my.
中国
Good. Super. And you? Yeah. Remember, don't worry about making mistakes. Just open your mouth and speak it out. Okay? Good. Correct. So I'm gonna. Yeah, you? Yeah.
Oh.
Sorry.
中国
Good. So you can. How about you?
中国
Good. Correct. And you?
中国
So now you can confidently point that map and say, what's that? Good. One more. One more louder. Oh my. So you're so good. I can't believe it. Oh, okay. So yeah, that's you got it. So and the next one. And the first tone plus third tone. So what's third tone? Keep it low. Remember that? Low. And so you need to go may, good. Yeah. May, right? Okay, look at this word. What we have here? Wow, that's a nice word. You need to know this word. When you get to China, you need to say these words. You know what? Can you see this back there? Can you see the card? Okay. Okay, everybody, make sure everybody can see the words. Okay, you know what? This word you must remember. Because, when you get into Chinese restaurant in China, and they will always, no matter winter, summer, even 40-degree in Beijing, yeah, so they will give you hot water. So now you say, no. Now you need to say ice water, right? Okay, so now, 冰水 Oh, good. You're too standard. There's no complaint. Yeah, nothing I can, do the correction for you. So, okay, let's read it again. 冰水 冰水 Oh, good. Now you need to remember this word because they always give you hot water, right? Even though in, 40-degree and you get hot water. You don't want that, and you say 冰水 冰水 Good. Yeah, correct. Okay.
By the way, a little bit of culture. In Chinese restaurants, as Wang Lao Shi has told you, they will serve you hot tea or hot water. If you want 冰水, sometimes they don't have 冰水.
Oh, really?
Don't get cross if they don't have. Be prepared.
Just be crying in the corner.
But Liu Lao Shi, I'm gonna tell you, they must have some ice drink, beverage, right? They have.
On campus, on BIT campus, there are 3 restaurants which serve ice. You can have iced things. For another 2 cheaper ones, they have no ice. If you want to have beer, normal temperature, no iced beer.
Warm beer? Sorry. Oh, gentlemen, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
冰水, no.
Yeah, remember, ask them for this, okay? And, okay, yeah, 冰水. Okay, now, 1 plus 4 is first tone plus fourth. And what's the fourth?
No.
No. May no. Show me. May no. Good. And the word here, that's to know in Chinese. 知道. 没有知道 Good. Yeah, so that means to know. 知道 知道 I want to listen. To know.
I just
Yeah. So how to say no? Yeah. Can you read no? 到. Just go down. Yeah. Okay. Can you repeat? Good. Yeah. Perfect. 知道. Right? 没 no. 没 no. 知道. 知道. That's right. 知道. Good. Yeah. That's cool. That's the yeah. Okay. Now I'm gonna introduce another tone. Actually, it's not a tone because we call it toneless tone. Because when the number 5, we call it neutral tone. We don't put any tone mark above the word, but we have many neutral tone words in Chinese. So just very light. I put a dot here. You see a dot. And the neutral tone, the pitch should located between the highest pitch and the lowest pitch. It's in the middle. The voice range is in the middle. So let's practice. We use like this. So when you say third tone, you say but this one higher than so may yeah, look at the word here. So and that means when you can't believe something, you say really, right? In Chinese we say 真的 没真的 Yeah, very useful